Alright guys, and welcome back to Doom, and we got a voice comm telling us basically to know our enemy, so we're gonna head up forward, jumping right into the action. Now I'm gonna try to keep these episodes shorter, unlike the first episode, so like it's easier to be more of a quicker watch, I guess, like holds retention time. So that way, I don't know, like if you don't have the time, you don't have to sit down for a 30-minute episode. Oh, I'm loving these glory kills though. Oh wow, I did not realize I only have one bullet. Alright, as much as it sucks to be safe, we have to switch to the pistol. Alright, well. I keep forgetting that it's not A, it's R. Oh, I have to hold it. Is it? Oh, read the sign. It's clearly low on power. Doesn't matter. Alright, can we... How many shots does it take? Okay, this gun is horrible. We're gonna switch... We're gonna use that last shotgun bullet, just cause. Alright, well... Nope, I was really hoping he wouldn't... Oh, we can just rapid fire with this thing. Alright, I was aiming... Oh yeah, I was aiming, I guess that. Variety is the spice of death. I really love the Bethesda touch on like the achievement names. Come on. Oh, I don't know why I just think glory kill. I've had the option almost this whole time. Alright, pick up these. We have some shotgun bullets now. So now that the power is on, I have no idea who you are.
And what will be your final moments?
Gain satellite array access.
All the rumors, the human sacrifices.
50 this way. Alright, well we have power now, so we can find out what you are. Oh cool, we got a... Alright. We can scan the map now, I guess. Alright, well you have power. I don't know if I want to go in the maintenance store, do I? No, I want to go over here. Right? Now I'm getting a lot further. Oh, that's where I started. Jeez. Alright, yeah, I'm thinking I'd go into the maintenance store and head right. Yeah. Oh. Okay. That's what that does. Okay, so what I'm hearing is glory kills. And we get that achievement. Alright, come on. Oh, sweet. Yeah, so glory kills get us the achievement. Yeah, so we jump down here. Can we head forward anywhere? Or is it just this gap? Alright, well we clearly don't want to go down there. But we need to head... What? Yeah, we need to head right. Where are we? Alright, our shotgun... Yeah, shotgun has full bullets. Where do we go? More importantly, how do I get back up out of here? I can vaguely hear her talking in the background, but I have no idea what she's saying. Alright, well, we'll head over here, I guess. There's enemies, so that usually means we're doing something right. Watch the animation of the kick on this gun. It's not like bad, it's just comedic. And I don't even know why, because it's like pretty vaguely realistic, but just when spamming it, it just looks almost comedic. Oh, we have full shotgun blasts. We don't really need that. Alright, we're just getting further away though. Oh, I'm done. We have to get outside. I'm assuming. Oh, you're on fire. Why is that the right power?
Demonic presence.
Oh yeah, see that's what I was talking about in the first episode. That was a waste of ammo box. Alright, I don't know the jump distance, I'm not even gonna try that. But so if we charge it, do we have explosive rounds, or is it just always? Oh, oh, we're going to die. I don't think we have a checkpoint on this one yet either. I know he's got it. Alright, if this thing would get out of my way. Alright, explosive shots. I don't really want that, though. I don't care about the pistol. Is there anything we can get besides explosive shot? Alright, well those are locked. Yeah, why not? Oh. Probably because we don't have any money. I thought we had a coin, didn't we? Alright, whatever. Alright, we need to run and get all this health. And then we can come back and finish killing this guy. Alright. Sorry for being kind of quiet in these fights, I just really don't want to die. Okay, yeah. So you can shoot normally, but then if you hold up left trigger, it does a special. Well, who killed that? Oh, he didn't. He just jumped in. Pre-bloody, apparently. Explosive rounds, get the health. That was good. That was good. Alright, he's gonna come around this corner. Maybe? Alright, I'm completely overestimating the AI of these things. Pick up the health packet. Much appreciated. Alright, I know we don't have to... Alright, never mind if he's just gonna run away. Area lockdown. Okay, so we do have to kill him. Stay down, man. There we go. Oh, you didn't stay down. Jeez. Now... I really liked that one. You know, I forget that I have face cam on. You guys can see my expressions. Okay, where's the one that's keeping it still in lockdown? Okay, now it's cleared. Can we make this jump? I feel like we definitely could. I just don't want to try. Last time we tried a long jump, it didn't end well. Alright guys, sorry about that cut. We have another member who is currently editing other episodes. Oh, I just ripped that chainsaw out of him. I don't want to do a tutorial, we'll find it out. But yeah, he messaged me asking for a file, so I had to send that to him real quick. Wait, do I have to restart the chainsaw? And it's accessed by pressing Y. Alright, so press Y. Press minus. Ooh. That's cool. Alright, so... Okay, no. We don't have to recharge it. We can just swing. Okay. Well, that's glass. We can't just jump through that. Maybe the obvious door to the right of the glass. No. That is a ton of bullets. Holy crap. Yeah, okay. I'll take that any day. Look at this. This is ridiculous. Does this have a charge up? Okay, it does have a charge up. Wait, were those bullets? I don't think I picked any of them up if they were. What is hitting me that... What just killed me? Alright, we'll load checkpoint, but I don't remember when our last checkpoint was. future me cut out the load zone. Alright, or cutscene, or not the cutscene, our checkpoint didn't set us back that far. So where's the chainsaw? Right. I thought it was right. Do I have it already? Sweet. Alright, so there's a guy over here that killed us then. Yeah, no, those definitely are bullets. Alright. So I think this got 4 or 5 uses. Oh no, it only got 3. What is killing me? Alright. Well, I guess we'll cut out another load point. I'll see you guys back in a second. Alright, and we're back. And I just wanted to appreciate the fact that... Oh, there's an ammo case here. I wanted to appreciate the fact that over the break, there was a text box that popped up in the load menu telling me that if an enemy has a head, it's a weak spot. That was a dumb idea. We're probably gonna die again. I don't know why I stood so close to him. Alright, kill him. Run for the health packet. Kill him. No, I think you're forgetting that kill him was part of the plan. Alright, there we go. Oh, he dropped a lot of health. That was worth it, that was worth it. What? Oh, why couldn't we shoot? Alright, there we go. We're just gonna switch to the chainsaw now. Get up close and personal. Alright, we have one more kill left. And then we gotta switch back to the I almost said switch back to the chainsaw. We got stuck for a second there. Alright, I think we cleared the room. Yeah. Entry locked. Didn't I just get the... Oh, yellow access key.
Denied. Yellow security clearance required.
Did I...
Access denied.
Is that not what I just
Yellow
got?
security clearance required.
Well then, what do you want me to do? You just gave me the security card though, didn't you? Yeah, it definitely just said I got the security card. Alright. Well, yeah, I was... Well, that's certain death. That's about what I figured. Okay. Alright, we'll try this one more time. And then, for the sake of keeping the episode at a good length. Oh, alright. Where's the tanker? Alright, get rid of him first. Oh, no. Okay, if we die this early on, we'll do another one. Alright, snipe the health. Okay, good. Third time's the charm. Okay. I don't know how melee items respawn, or not respawn, recharge. Okay, I need to focus on killing these ranged guys first. That's gonna be my problem. Alright, here's one. Shoot. He wasn't even orange, was he? Is that all of them? No, okay. One more ranged left. Oh, no. What are you doing? I didn't know you could do that. Alright, find yellow access key. It is finished. Yeah, so I have the...
Access denied. Yellow security clearance required.
Yellow security clearance required. That's what I just got though, isn't it?
Access.
don't understand what you want me to do. I am gonna pick up this though. Can I jump through here? Why do I feel like this is gonna kill me? Okay. Lots of ammo. That's a good sign in a game like this. Can I? Oh, it's a maintenance tunnel. Okay. Alright, where are they? Oh! What the? Did I just walk into more lasers? Alright, well, that's as good a way to end an episode as any. See you in episode 3 where we finally find out, I guess, what is in the maintenance chamber and gets yellow access because it didn't work on the card. Yeah. See ya.